Philippines, farmers and community members think of the coconut tree as the tree of life.
Being a tree of life means that it is able to sustain the lives of people who takes care of it.
Almost every single piece of the coconut tree and the coconut are used in different things. It's truly a zero-waste plant.
In making the sourcing decision for our coconut products, it's the same as it is in all of our products. You look for where you can get the best product. But at Simple Truth, we truly travel to the ends of the earth to put simple within reach.
Magandang magpatubo ng yogurt, maganda ang pwesto namin.
The Philippines is composed of 7,100 tropical islands, and they're volcanic in nature, which has a lot of minerals in the soil, and salt from the ocean. This combination brings in the best coconuts.
When the coconuts fall from the tree, they just expertly dehusk them. And then the coconut itself that's left there, that's what goes to the packaging and processing facility.
We first inspect the coconuts, make sure that they're fresh, and then from there, we open the coconuts, and then the water itself is taken out and processed within 1 or 2 hours.
We are so proud to be sourcing only certified organic coconuts through our Fair Trade partnership.
When consumers buy a fair trade product, it means that the producers, the farmers and workers that are actually making that product have complied with really high standards.
Ang ibig sabihin ng fair trade sa amin ay pantay-pantay na kalakalan, mayaman at mahirap, nakikinabang lahat.
Kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa mga natatanggap naming biyaya buhat sa fair trade.
Tsaka po ay higit sa lahat, pantay-pantay po dito, walang lamangan, basta po magkakapatid po kami dito at tsaka po ay.
As a shopper, you know when you go into a Kroger store and buy a Fair Trade certified Simple Truth product that you're supporting farming communities.
It's very inspiring to know that a company like Kroger would commit to continuously support the smallholder farmers because that's what exactly they need.
It's my hope that customers can really understand everything that their purchase decision does to impact people's lives. They can know that they're getting a clean, organic product that was produced in a very safe environment. But if they can even begin to understand the impact they're having on lives and communities and this generation and the next, I think that would be a fantastic revelation.